How are you? So in this video, we're going to practice our sign language letters. And I have a poster down here to help us so you could see what it is, but I'm also going to be using my hands to do it with you as well. All right, so we're going to do the whole alphabet, A through Z. All right, and here we go. So I'm going to hold it here just so you have a reference, and I'm going to do it over here with my hand. All right, so the first letter we have is A. Everybody make a fist like this, but your fingers are flat down, a little bit tucked in. It's almost like you're doing thumbs up, but that thumb goes in like this. All right, so this is A. Can everyone do this at home? A. Very good. The next letter here is B. Can you see that? I'll zoom in a little bit. See B? So the hand is like this. Your fingers are together, and your thumb is like this. So we have the letter B. Can everyone do B? Good job. So we have A, B, C. This is C. It's pretty easy because you're just taking your hands. It's almost like you're unscrewing something and you're making a C with your fist. This is C. All right, so let's start from the beginning. A, B, C. Good job. And what comes after C? D. Good job. This is D. You take your 3 fingers and pinch them down and hold them with your thumb, and your 1 pointer finger is up. This is D. Amazing. So we have A, B, C, D. And what comes next? E. Yes, E. So E is like A, but your fist, instead of being fully closed, your fingers are open a little bit and your thumb is scrunched in. So this is E, right? It almost looks like a mouth, right? E. All right, so let's do the whole alphabet. We're gonna review every time we learn a new letter. So A, B, make sure those fingers are in. C, D, E. Very good. The next letter is F. Can everyone do this? F. It's almost like a fish. F, right? F. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F. Good job. And the next one is G. See this right here? G. It goes like this. Now, see, your fingers are in like this and your 2 are out straight. And this is G, okay? G. Now 2 go out. H. H. I. Your fist like this, your thumb here and your pointer up. I. Now, J is easy because you take this I and you go right into the J. J, and you hook it. Sorry, I went down off. J, you hook it, right? K. Oh, this one's hard. And don't forget, we're going to review it, so I'll go back. And you could always pause the video if I'm going too fast. So we have K. If you just do a peace sign like this, woo! But then your thumb goes in between, K. Okay, and L is easy. L, you just make an L like this with your hands. All right, let's pause there and let's go to the beginning, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Very good. Now the letter M. I got to move my poster up a little bit more. Now the letter M right here. If you notice the fingers, it looks like it's making a letter M with your fingers. So you're going to take it, you're going to take your thumb, you're going to go like this with your hands, and then you're going to bend your 4 fingers over like that, okay? And that's the letter M. Okay, so M. See how it has the see how it has the 3, 1, 2, 3 fingers that make the humps of the M? So we have M. And then for N is only 1 hump, so you got to go put your fingers like that. N. Okay, so M, N, O. Just make an O with your fists, right? Make an O. P is down. And again, it looks like a K, but it's actually down like this. P, Q is just one. R is finger crossed like this. Now this one's a little bit easy, but fingers down, thumb across, pinch like this. All right, so let's review. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Ready? M, N, O, P, Q, R. Good job. S is a fist. See S? S is a fist. So your fingers are bent like this, but instead of the A, which is like this, the thumb goes over all of it. So S. S. Good. And then T is these down, the thumb in between the pointer and the middle finger. So that's T. Okay, so we have S, T. U is just straight up like this. See U here? U. Oops, sorry. U. V, you just open it up. V. W, you add 3 like that. It looks like a 3, but you got to open it up so it's like a W. X, if you look at X here, where are we? If you look at X here, you have your fingers down and your thumb just relaxed, but then you hook it like an X. Y, oh, I'm sorry. Y, silly Miss Leisha, right? Y. And then Z, you just take your finger and you draw Z. Bloop, bloop, bloop. See? And that is the sign language alphabet. All right, we're going to review it all together, okay? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We're going to do that together. Are we ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, friends, amazing. I'm so proud of you. Good job. You could watch this video over and over again. Pause it whenever you can because I want you to practice I want you to practice signing the letter A. So if you ask your parents to teach you how to pause the video, because if I am going like this, you could pause it to take your time and practice it with your hands. And then the more practice and practice you get, you'll be able to do it as fast as me. A, B, C, D, right? Now, the cool thing is that once you learn the alphabet, you could spell your name. Before we hang up here, I want to spell my name. My name is spelled A-L-E-C-I-A. So I'm going to hold the poster up here just for my reference too, and I'm going to spell my name. And then you could take the poster and you could practice spelling your name. Ready? My name is A-L-L-E-C-I-A. Amazing. Can you do your name at home? Nice. Have a good one. Come back for more sign language.